Alright, so we can get our bar bending schedule from the word like this. And then all of the elements, as you can see, are listed precisely with full information and are available for you to use. I think the number of the pages exceeds 100. Yes, it does. And if I actually scroll this down to see the exact number of the pages, yes, it's 126 pages in total. So let's go back to the first page right over here. And as you can see here, we have the rebars that have been used and the mass per unit length as well to see. So you can double click on the Sophistic logo and replace it with whatever you prefer. I'll just close this for now. If you want to export the bar bending schedule to an AutoCAD file, you have to go to the settings of the Sophistic tab. Let me just correct these. And the reason that these boxes are empty is because I use the Purge All tool, but it's no actual error. Alright, so fix these over here as well. And then after that, we'll go over to the Schedule tab because I don't need the rest of them anymore. I'll check the box that says Report Browser, and the language is going to be English. And after that, we'll go over to the Details tab. Let's see. Oh, it appears that we actually have to check these boxes. So I'll select the Import tool and then select the US contact file here and open it up. And then after that, I'll wait for it to load up. So now after it has been loaded up, I'll go over to the Schedule tab once again, check the box over here, and then for the language, select English, check this box as well, and then OK. Then I'll just be waiting for the command to be confirmed so we can export the DXF file. When you're uploading, you usually get this window that says processing. And just a quick note here, if you're working with the Sophistic plugin in your system and then you want to transfer the file to a system that doesn't actually include the Sophistic tool, there won't be any actual problems, and because the rebars are actually reserved for the Revit file itself, they will show up. Sophistic is just a facilitator. So then I'll click on the Schedule tool and then OK here. And then after that, we'll just be waiting for a dialog box to open up so that we can see the info inside of it. So after it's opened up, I'll just go over here and maximize it. As you can see, we have all of the information regarding the project here, done precisely in the most organized manner. So let's just scroll down to see what's the actual page number of the file. Alright, it goes all the way down to here, but it doesn't specify the page number. So I can print this in a PDF format. So select all pages and then select the print option. So now let's see where we should actually save it. I'll just go with the folder that we placed the last file in, then copy the file name and then copy the path as well, and then save it as a PDF file. And now we'll just be waiting for it to open up. Alright, so after that, we'll open up the file over here. And then if I actually browse through it, you can see how the information has been saved like this. Alright, and then we can scroll through these to see the detailing of these. Alright, so now let's just scroll up. It's actually quite long and it takes quite a while to get to the top. So I'll just speed through it and then we'll get to the first page. So after we've done that, I'll just close the file and then we'll go over here because we have some settings that we need to discuss. These are the settings concerning the schedule, which language it's using, and such and such. And then on the side, we have the images done separately, which you can select and adjust to your preference. So Now I'll just close this, and now we've just created a DXF file. So I'll go over here and close the AutoCAD file. So select this and close it, and then we close this one as well. So then I'll go over here to the open option and then paste the directory path here, and then here we have the DXF file. It's about 2 megabytes, so I'll select it and then open it up. Then here click Z enter plus E enter, and all of the pages and images have been inserted here in the AutoCAD file like this, and we can scroll through them to see what we actually have. I don't know if there's an easier or better method to paste these in the AutoCAD file and have them as easy as you like at your access. And if you actually remember, you can go here where it says bar bending schedule and double click on this, and then go to the settings of this and copy the text that we have for the tag. Then Ctrl C to copy it and save the file from up here. Cancel on this and then go over here and type in find, and then type the text that we copied on this window and just replace it with this. Just change the last part of it to, for example, Iran-Beam team, and then I'll select the replace all option, then replace here as well. So we have about 59 cases, and then select done, and there we go. So that's how we do this part. We'll follow up with the rest of it in the next chapter.